Military life comes with busy days, travel, and deployments. With so much going on, it can feel like there's no time to focus on budgeting and saving. Lucky for you, digital banking tools make it faster and easier than ever to save money. But first, you do need to budget. You already know it, but you're probably not doing it. There's a reason why this is the all-time go-to first step in saving money. It's because you have to know where your money is being spent. Chances are you can cut down or cut some things out altogether and instead put that money into your emergency savings or a rainy day fund. That's where digital tools can come in and make it easy and automatic to save. Do you have a certain amount you want to reach by a certain date? Use a savings goal calculator to figure out just how much money you'll need to set aside each month to reach your goal. Try automating your savings too. There are some great apps, and online banking accounts have features that let you set up recurring transfers monthly, so over time you can see your savings growing without having to do a single thing. No matter what your savings goal is, online tools and mobile banking apps are there to help you meet it, leaving you more time to focus on all of your many missions at work and at home.